Welcome to Education and More's Why Take This Class for preparing to learn Python 3 at a snail's pace. That is the most important question you need to ask yourself before you take a class. Why should I take it? What is the benefit for me? This class that I'm going to offer is going to be a very long class. Probably take you a couple years, maybe longer, to do the whole class, to do it well. Okay? And this class will help you in a variety of ways. One, it will prepare you for university. Okay? Many universities will ask you to take programming or allow you to use programming class for one of the requirements. Two, it can help you get a great job. Now, let me be honest. You probably can't get a great job only knowing Python. Okay, you're going to need to learn some other languages, shell scripting, whatever, Oracle database. You're going to need to learn some other things if you want to be a great, powerful programmer. But this class is an excellent beginning. Okay, so if you do want a job in the future, then this is the class to take, because it's going to be extremely detailed, and you will not only learn a lot, but you'll remember it, especially if you do all the exercises I give you. Okay, it's used in AI, artificial intelligence. When I was in graduate school for computer science, AI was my specialty. I had to learn Lisp and Prolog, back when the dinosaurs were around. Now you learn AI and Python. So it's used in web development. It's used in scientific computing. It's used in academic research. It's used everywhere. But probably the two most important reasons to learn this class and learn Python 3. One, it's easy to learn. Last year, I had a couple grade 6 students, and they did very well in my class. But I'm going to target grade 7 and above. Not every grade 6 student is ready to really learn programming languages. Okay? So, but again, some 9th grade students are not really ready to learn. But I want to draw the line at grade 7. Okay? So my suggestion is grade 7 and above for this class. Okay? It's very easy to learn. I was a C programmer for many years, and I'm telling you, Python is much easier than C. Okay? So it is very easy to learn, and that's why I think grade 7 is perfect for you to learn this. And the second most important reason to learn Python and to learn my class is many companies use it. You got Facebook, Google, NASA, Quora, Amazon, Reddit, Netflix, Dropbox, Instagram, as well as many others. Okay? These are powerful organizations. If they're using it, you got to ask yourself why. The real reason is because it's easy to use. Their programmers can program quickly, effectively, and that's what companies like. They like something in order to be able to be used quickly, so that way they can do more projects. More projects they work on, more money they make. Okay? So that is why you want to learn Python 3, and that's why you want to take this class. Okay? Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.